Hello guys, I have another battery here and I thought I'd share it. It's from Landrover EV, actually my first EV battery ever. And this is a module, one of many that make the whole battery system, and this module is only 8 cells in series, so it's at least from a voltage perspective, not dangerous. Of course, it is if you short it out. I don't have an image of how it looked before, but it was actually bolted together. There were like these pieces left and right with the contacts. It's actually 2 times 4 in series, and then they are somehow connected, I don't know. So yeah, at first I thought it's gonna be easy because it was all bolted together, and I removed the bolts, and then I realized that there were some laser welds along the long side, so I thought I'd grind these off. I did with a grinder, and yeah, then I realized that there is also glue. Yeah, this is how the first part that I removed now looks like. I used a hex socket that I put the slot in, and then I turned after like cutting again. And yeah, that's how it all went. Put this aside. Sorry for the noise. Yeah, after this I was able to remove these 2 alloy pieces, and after removing these I was also able to remove the cooling channel, or maybe it's also for heating, I don't know, probably yes. This was in between the 2 4 series let's say packs or sub packs or whatever. And yeah, so next issue was they were still held in place pretty tough. And at that point I already ruined the case, so I didn't see any other option than proceeding. I mean, even discarding it would have been almost impossible because this one is still full of charge. So first thing I did was I removed these connectors. They were like so, and then through here, both sides. And then yeah, continued my way to remove one of these 4S packs, and yeah, I thought it might be interesting. I think that these are 21700 cells. I'm not sure yet. I don't think that they are any proprietary size, because this almost looks like 21. Maybe I have one. Yeah, this is a 21700. Yeah, most likely. So this would actually be quite a score, because there are 160 cells if I remember correctly. And interesting thing is there is a cell monitoring, obviously, but there is no balancing. This is all that goes to the single cells. As you can see, I've ripped it off when I removed the first of these 4S packs. Yeah, so I'm gonna, not sure yet, but most likely I will. This is not. There is still some heat transfer compound. I think that I will remove these welds and make something else with the cells. Yeah. Give me a thumbs up if you see where I shorted it during the disassembly. and take care. Bye. Thanks.